Hello everyone, I'll show you how to hide apps on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. This feature is perfect for improving privacy, reducing screen clutter, and keeping personal apps away from other users. Follow each step carefully to successfully hide apps from both the home screen and the app drawer. To begin, unlock your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G and return to the home screen. Next, find an empty space anywhere on the screen, then tap and hold for a few seconds. A pop-up menu will appear with several customization options. From the menu, tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the home screen settings menu, where you can manage different layout and display options for your phone. Now, scroll down carefully until you find the option called Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. Tap on it to continue. You will now see a complete list of all apps installed on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Simply scroll through the list and select one or multiple apps that you want to hide. After selecting the apps, tap Done or Apply at the bottom of the screen. Your selected apps will immediately disappear from both the home screen and the app drawer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful Samsung tutorials and smartphone tips.